The financial services sector thrives on data. Every transaction, market movement, and customer interaction generates a massive amount of information. Our client, a leading U.S. financial institution, faced a challenge familiar to many in their industry: how to harness this data deluge effectively. Their existing systems struggled to keep pace with the real-time demands of the market. They needed a solution that could process vast volumes of data with speed and accuracy, extracting actionable insights to drive better decision-making. This is where our expertise in AI and cloud computing came into play. To address the client's needs, we designed and developed a scalable AI-powered analytics platform. This platform was engineered to ingest, process, and analyze data in real time, providing the client with a competitive edge. We leveraged a robust technology stack to achieve this. The backend was powered by a combination of .NET and Java, ensuring stability and scalability. For the front end, we chose to utilize the versatility and user-friendly nature of Python frameworks. This allowed us to create intuitive dashboards and visualizations for data exploration. At the heart of the platform lay its AI and machine learning capabilities. We implemented advanced algorithms to detect patterns, predict future trends, and generate actionable insights from the data. The deployment of the AI-powered analytics platform yielded significant improvements for the client. Manual data processing tasks were reduced by a staggering 60%, freeing up valuable time for analysts to focus on more strategic initiatives. Decision-making processes were accelerated, with real-time insights enabling quicker and more informed actions. This translated into a 20% improvement in trade execution speed, a testament to the platform's ability to empower agile responses to market dynamics. Furthermore, the platform's cloud-native architecture on AWS provided unparalleled scalability. It could effortlessly handle the ever-growing volume of data without compromising performance. This scalability future-proofed the client's infrastructure, ensuring they could adapt to evolving market demands. The implementation of this AI platform has been a game-changer for our organization, remarked the client's chief technology officer. We are now able to make data-driven decisions with a speed and accuracy that was previously unimaginable. The platform's scalability has also been crucial, allowing us to handle the exponential growth in data volume without any hiccups. This positive feedback underscores the transformative impact of the platform, solidifying its position as a cornerstone of the client's data strategy.